Arrive in style with this 1997 Audi A4. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include security system, cell phone hookup, passenger vanity mirror, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat, driver vanity mirror, and front reading lamps. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.